Hey everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video I will show you how you can simply add featured image column to your WordPress website. So let's start. WordPress admin panel. So let's click plugins, then just add a new plugin, and in search plugins you want to write featured image column. And now you can see it, add featured image column, installed, activate. Okay, quick post, and voila, here you got it. Pretty simple, pretty easy, and yep, thank you very much. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in the comments, but this is how you do it. So I hope you're going to have a great day. See ya and goodbye.